Welcome back to the channel, guys. Taking the Python out for a second run here. Let it cool off. See if we can beat that 93, or if we can at least get to it. Same battery too. Hit 93 miles an hour. And we're gonna see what we can do there. So let's show you that it's tracking here. It's tracking. So we're gonna go start, track, start, stop, read, zeroed out, track, start, it's tracking, it's reading. Let's go down here a little ways. It always gets a little squirrely on takeoff. Shadow down there, it's driving me nuts because I can't see. But alright, let's try it, guys. See if we can beat that 93. I know it's windy, sorry about that, but it's the only time of day I can get out. Oh, it cut out. I pulled it way too hard. Pulled it way too hard, guys. Right when it got to me, I yanked on the trigger. Stop, read. Ooh, 94 and it stopped on me, so I'll take that. And we still had tons of power left. That was the issue. It was just getting up to speed when it cut out. So let's go back, see if we can get that or match that. Start. Okay, let's go one more time, guys. One more time, then we'll have to recharge the battery. All right, let's go. Car kind of messed us up. Then they park at the end, like, you know. Well, I know it's a free street, but all right, let's see what you got. Here we go. Reading. Here we go. Stop. Read. 91. Yeah, I had to pull up. So 94. Personal best right there, guys. I think we gear up a couple more teeth to a 30. I think we will get that 100 if I can keep the steady pace. So that's awesome. I'm happy with that. Let's show you what's going on here. Check the temps again. Yeah, she's heating up. She's still all right. So I have the 6S, 7 wires. See them all in there. It's just a stock setup, guys. I did do the front springs or the shocks. I put a stopper in there so it wouldn't rub. It'll stop. I mean, it still hits if you hit hard, but it takes a lot to push it down now. So I put some hose inside there to stop it. I probably should put a little bit more. Maybe I'll redo that just to make sure. But yeah. Then I did put oil in the shocks because they did come apart on me. Wasn't paying attention. They came loose, so I'm gonna watch those. But everything else is stock. I haven't touched anything. No diff fluid, no nothing. It's all stock, guys. So I'm sure if I lock the center diff up, I can get a little bit more too. But we're just gonna try a bigger gear and go from there with the SpeedTek RC spool. And a 35 tooth pinion. It's a mod 1. It's a 8mm bore. Get that from SpeedTek RC too, with the 27 tooth pinion from SpeedTek RC. So yeah, we're doing good here, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you can see the next one of me hitting 100 miles an hour. So appreciate it, guys.